First, let's configure the Televend box. Go to Setup, click on PID field, fill the serial number from your box, and press Save. Now scroll down to Televend configuration and click Operation Mode. From the list, choose MDB Brain. For price mode, make sure Price on VMC is selected. Now scroll down to Payment Systems and make sure you disable all which you are not using. In our case, we have just a coin changer and cashless 3, which is TPay 200. So make sure you enable cashless 3. In T-Wallet, choose Vend and Recharge to enable our MagCheck application for cashless payment. In Bluetooth, select On Service Mode to enable potential offline data extraction. Click Save, and with this, your box is configured. On the machine overview, let's go to Products. Click on Load Planogram and select your prepared planogram for this machine type from the list. Click Submit. Planogram is now pending, which means it's ready to be confirmed. First, we can plug in the antennas and communication cable to the box. This is a Bluetooth antenna, it goes into this port, marked BLE. Then we have a GSM antenna, which goes to the other port, where it says 2G, 3G, 4G. And now we can plug in the MDB communication cable over here. Now, since the box has two magnet stripes, it's easy to just put inside the machine. So let's position it, for example, here, and the antenna here. Now we have these two MDB branches coming from Televend box. We need to plug it in first to the machine and then to the payment system. Let's find the existing connection. So this is a connection between the machine and the coin changer. We need to plug this off and plug in Televend box first to the VMC and simply the other branch to the payment system chain, which in this case is the coin changer. Now we can turn on the power supply. Once the blue lamp is stable, the box is connected. Now we go to the cloud and check the connection status. In the overview, we see status is OK and signal is online. It's perfect 100%. Next step, we can push those planogram which we prepared. This is a really useful step because now when we push, these prices will be written into the machine because the box here is the master for the prices. So when we press push, OK, you can immediately see that the box blinked and that the new prices have been applied. If you go to the events, you see product list updated just now.